you're going to be somewhere for a week, you're moving around, but 2 weeks for sure. It's a lot just easier to rent a motorbike. It's gonna be a lot easier just to rent a motorbike. You're gonna save the most amount of money by doing that. Right, let's get an example. I'm out at the mall about to go something to eat. 200 baht, right? And don't get me wrong, this is, taxis. You got, tuk-tuks, the trucks with the blue, like a pickup truck. You also got motorbikes. But I've literally seen people laid out on the ground in Thailand from motorbikes. Literally, like I've seen people, 2 or 3 people at least, that I thought were dead. I'm talking about, I'm riding past, motorbike on the side, person laying on the ground, not moving. In Thailand, multiple times. So I prefer not to get on motorbikes. And I'm not saying I never have. I'm not saying I never have. But I prefer to control my own destiny. I am not putting my health in the hands of another individual, and especially the way people drive here. Not saying it's bad, not saying it's good, but if I'm going to crash or get hurt, let it be off something I did or something someone else did that I could not have prevented. But long story short, let's say, my example, 200 coming here, 200 going back, right? And the price can be a little lower if you get on a motorbike, a little lower if you get on a tuk-tuk. So let's use my example. It's 400. Just stop going somewhere to get something to eat. All right, this is just lunch. Let's say we do dinner. It's gonna be another 200 and a 200. So what's that? We're at 800 baht just for going out for lunch and dinner in one day. That's not including breakfast, right? That's not including, going out and doing other things. That money, you can easily spend over 1,000 baht a day riding a taxi in Thailand. You can easily spend 1,000 baht a day in a taxi in Thailand. Now, if you came here to sit in your room, if you flew all the way here to sit in your room, do what makes you happy. But it's just easier, 100% easier just to rent a motorbike. I am looking for what I found, and someone told me here a long time ago, I'm like, then I got here, I'm like, man, I like this place. It's a place where the food spins around and you cook it yourself and you grab it off of the little turn style type mechanism. And I'm trying to find it. Where are the movie theaters? I think it is on the level with the movie theater, but I could be wrong. Long story short, at Central, about to grab something to eat. Just want to tell you that unless you like motorbikes or walking, and truth be told, not everything you want to go is being walking distance. Unless you like motorbikes or walking, you're gonna be here at least a week. I personally suggest renting a motorbike. That's my personal suggestion. My personal suggestion. Till next time.